Hello dear friends, welcome to YouTube channel of Polar Bird, the brand of Снегирь company. Today we are at our factory, which has been expanded recently. As you can see, the work is in progress. But today we are going to tell you about something else. We would like to present our new products to you. Those are the soft seat covers for the benches. This soft seat cover without storage bag and this unique soft seat cover with storage bag. Let's take a look at each of them. This seat cover is attached to the benches of the boats of Merlin and Eagle series. Let's take a look. It is manufactured out of a very soft and nice to touch eco leather. As you can see, this seat cover is very tough and one can sit on it with great pleasure. Okay, and what about this unique soft seat cover with storage bag? How to attach it? The bag can be easily removed from the seat by the simple zippers. After removing, you could just take it away and go. The soft seat cover is easily attached to the bench, and then this way you could attach a storage bag. Very easy. From the both sides of it. Zip it up, and that's it. Here we go. So dear friends, that is all we wanted to show you. Watch our videos, subscribe to our channel and enjoy the outdoors activities with Polar Bird.